Video C is going to continue with our discussion about aquatic, not aquatic, because they're actually marine animals. And we're going to talk about, the next one is the baby blue whale, which weighs about 4,000 pounds, and the adult blue whale, which weighs about 400,000 pounds. So give me a second, I will type that up, and then we will work through that problem. As I said before, a baby blue whale weighs about 4,000 pounds. That's huge. Okay, and an adult blue whale weighs about 400,000. About how much weight does a blue whale gain as it grows up? So what we're asking is, between here and here, how much weight does it gain? And what we're going to do there, we're comparing two things. So what we're going to do is we are going to subtract. And what we're going to subtract is we're going to start with the larger number, because generally with subtraction, especially now, we always start with the larger number. We're going to start with 400,000, because this is where it will end up, and we're going to subtract where it begins. And so we're going to subtract 4,000. And now we're ready to subtract. With the magic of subtraction, 0 and 0 is 0, 0, 0. Now I can't do 0 minus 4 because 4 is bigger. Check with our neighbor, nothing there, go to our neighbor. 4 will become 3. We're going to take that 100,000, we're going to add it here. So now we have 10,000s. Now we're able to, this becomes 90,000, and then we add that 1 right there, and that becomes 10. 10 less 4 is 6, 9 less 0 is 0, 9, 3 less 0 is 3. So, a baby blue whale will gain approximately 396,000 pounds over the course of its life. Well, till it reaches an adult. Because I'm guessing there are times where it doesn't eat a lot and it loses weight and things like that. But over the course of its life, from its birth to it will gain about 396,000 pounds. Holy cow, that's a big animal. Alright, the next one we are going to talk about is we're going to talk about the largest living shark, the whale shark. So give me a second while I'm going to pause, and then we'll talk about that problem. The largest living shark is the whale shark. It is about 1,200 centimeters long. The smallest living shark is the pygmy shark. It is about 25 centimeters long. How much longer is the whale shark than the pygmy shark? Now, hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, when you read this, your mind automatically starts blinking, subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. Because guess what we're going to do here? We're going to do subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. All right, we're going to start with the larger, because we're going to start with the larger shark, which is the whale shark, because how much longer is the whale shark? So we're going to start with that, and that is 1,200 centimeters. And I'm just going to put that so I don't forget. And then we are going to subtract, because we're talking about, if we were to look at this as if we were to look at that, we're going to basically, if we were to draw something, this is the whale shark. I'm a whale shark. Okay, and then this is the pygmy shark, like right here. I can't even write pygmy there, I'm just going to write pygmy here. And then what it's asking us is, what is this difference here? So visually, this is what it's asking us to do. So what we're going to do is we are going to subtract 25 centimeters. Okay, 0 less 5 can't do. Go to my neighbor, nothing there. Go to my other neighbor, 2 becomes 1. Now I can transfer that, so now we have 10 of those. That's going to be 9. Now we have 10. Now we couldn't subtract. I probably should have used a different color for that. I apologize if it's a little confusing. But now, better late than never, huh? 10 less 5 is 5. 9 less 2 is 7. 1 less 0 is 1. 1 less 0 is 1. And centimeters. So the whale shark is approximately 1,175 centimeters longer than the pygmy shark. All right, so that's it for video C. Video D, I am going to give you 1, 2, 3 problems that I just want you to solve. And then I will go through and give you the answers. And you already have the problems because they're the ones that are on your handout that we have not done yet. So in just a second, we'll be ready.